set to full max. AC, trying to turn it on, it turns back off. Nothing's coming out of the vents. It's set to vents. Even it's set to low max. There's still nothing coming out of the vents. Set it to high temperature, maximum fan. Nothing comes out of the vents. AC still doesn't work. Your circulate button works, auto button works, but once again, nothing happens. Nothing comes out of the vents. The AC should stay on, but it doesn't stay on. That button just turns right back off. Well, it was worth a try, I guess.